The Golden Stones of Kilis. Defne and Arda arrived in Kilis, a province right on the southeastern edge of Turkey. "Wow," whispered Defne, looking up at the walls. "Everything looks like it's made of ancient, golden stone." Arda bounced excitedly. "Auntie said Kilis is famous for its history and its sunshine." Their first stop was high above the plains, Ravanda Castle. Arda peered over the ancient walls. "This castle is over 800 years old. It watched travelers and merchants for centuries." Defne traced her finger over a weathered stone carving. "It reminds us that Kilis has always been a crossroads, connecting different worlds." After history, it was time for nature. Kilis means olive in ancient Syrian, and the hills were covered in green-silver leaves. But Arda was looking for something else. "There it is," he shouted, pointing to a tree with small, greenish nuts. "Kilis fistigi, the best pistachio in the world." All that walking made them hungry. Kilis has a very special flavor. "Time for Kilis tava," Auntie announced, bringing out a dish of spiced minced meat cooked with vegetables in a traditional clay dish. Defne took a bite. It tastes like sunshine and spices, all baked together. In the historical center, they found the Tas Mektep stone school area, now bustling with life. Arda loved the buzz of the market. "Look, Defne, 1,000 kinds of olives and cheeses, and the smell of fresh bread is everywhere." A friendly baker offered them a treat. "This is katmer," he explained, "a thin, flaky pastry filled with cream, and that amazing Kilis pistachio." Arda took a huge bite, smiling through the sweet crumbs. "It's the perfect crunchy, creamy dessert." Later, they visited a traditional Kilis house, or konak. Defne stepped into the inner courtyard, where a small fountain gently splashed. "The walls are so thick to keep the heat out," she observed. "These houses are built for community and comfort." As the sun began to set, Auntie brought them a special, dark drink. "This is menengic coffee," she said. "It's made from wild pistachios without any caffeine." Arda looked skeptical, but Defne loved the earthy, warm smell. "Kilis is wonderful," Defne sighed happily. "It's not just history or food. It's the warmth of the people and the golden light everywhere." Arda nodded, finishing his coffee. "We saw castles, ate the best nuts, and learned all about this amazing place." Kilis is a place where ancient stones tell new stories, where every meal is a celebration of the harvest, and where visitors are always met with sunshine and a smile. What will you discover when you visit?